see, bro.
What's up?
Okay.
I should knock your out, no? No, you shouldn't have.
That's not the guy on the street you're talking. That's a totally different guy. The other guy's still up there.
What's up guys, Squink here, back with another video. I used to be a cop, I'm not anymore. Instead I do these videos where I walk into a brand new situation every single day, blindly. I believe that's the best way for you to get a glimpse into how the cop brain is working. From my law enforcement experience, I hope to give you that. Because without a doubt, there is always one question that people are asking and want to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? What the hell are they doing? Why did they pull him over when he didn't deserve to be pulled over? Why did they shoot that trans school shooter? So I'm here to answer those questions and whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Midwest Safety. It is titled, Cops Opened His Trunk and Everything Changed. I've never seen this, jumping in blindly. Here we go.
It was a routine traffic stop until they checked the trunk.
There's so much hair on my mouse pad.
Hello, sir. I'm Officer Murphy of Moline. The reason why I'm stopping you is you swerved into oncoming lane.
Okay, so traffic stops, I'm just going to say this, at anything past like 2 a.m. is like one of those grab bags that you get where you don't know what's inside. Or I could say it's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. That's genuinely the case most of the time.
A couple times, you're kind of swerving in between different lanes.
I ain't mean to do that.
Okay. And then like when you turn that corner, like you almost clipped me because you came into like my lane.
I saw you.
Yeah. Do you have a driver's license, proof of
Nah,
insurance?
I don't get it. I live up the street. My insurance and all that shit. It's in my other bag. I live up the street though. Every police officer know me.
Okay.
I don't get my registration. I got my insurance though.
Okay. You have your insurance?
Yeah, I ain't from out here. You see, I'm using my map as I'm going on.
Okay.
I'm going to fuck with a bitch.
Okay, I got
I'm going to fuck with a bitch or whatever.
Right,
where are you from?
right. We
Chicago.
love that, sir.
I've been down here like 5-6 months.
Would you mind just rolling this back window? Your tint's just so dark I
That
can't see.
motherfucker dark as hell.
Yeah.
So what I got arrested down for you for?
I just want to make sure there's no one in the back
Yeah,
seat.
ain't nobody
That's all.
back there.
No big deal. Okay. You said you don't have your driver's license on you?
Nah, I got him though. I'm valid though.
What's your first name?
Randy. R-A-N-D-Y. I'm trying to find this shit for you, man. I got you. 1 second.
I kind of like Randy. He's going to fuck with a bitch. He's just doing his
Can you
thing.
step out for me?
For what?
We're gonna have a conversation out here about the open container.
For what?
Okay, because there's an open container in your car.
I take that back. Randy's probably going to become a problem based on his reaction to this.
Okay, so I'm telling you, step out.
Actually, no. I like Randy. He's following directions.
All right, we'll pat you down, make sure you have no weapons.
That's cool. That's cool.
Okay.
That's cool. All right, straight.
What's this in your pocket?
I don't know. Let me see.
Can I reach in there and grab it?
No, let me see first.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna let you reach in there. Just keep your hands up, man. Is it just the keys? I can't tell what it
Probably,
is. It's a hard
yeah.
object.
It's probably some keys.
Okay, can I just pull it in and make sure that
Hey,
it's
go
just
do
keys,
your thing.
but there's
Do
no
your
knives
thing.
or anything?
Nah, I ain't got no problem.
That was a nice whip, man.
You want to drive it? Drive it.
So fast. All right, hey, so since there was an open container...
He's like, you can drive it, just don't open the trunk because everything will change for you.
It's going to give me probable cause to search your car for other open containers.
You do your thing.
Okay.
I don't know about this car. Hey, could I put my shit in my pocket without y'all?
Yep, you're good.
Yes, sir, Randy. Marijuana's. Randy was rolling a blunt while he was traveling down the road, and there's the open container of whiskey. Hennessy. Nice.
It's peaceful. Hey, don't do that, man. How you doing that?
What?
How you do that?
What do you mean? How'd I pop it?
Shit. I've been out here like 9 months.
That's kind of a cool pop, though. I'm not going to lie.
I've been out here like 9 months. I've been down here. It's peaceful. Yes.
Gun.
Take my time doing
Have you ever been arrested before?
million times, man.
For what?
Probably weed, goofy ass, miscellaneous ass, shit like that.
Do you have a FOID card?
Nah, I don't.
Okay. Tell you what, right now I'm just going to detain you.
For what?
The gun in the back. Okay?
No gun now.
There is. Okay, we'll figure all of it out here in a second, okay? End of the day, I'm not trying to take you to jail.
Boss man.
Okay, I just gotta figure everything out. We'll talk about some stuff, okay?
Yes,
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Stop.
Randy.
Get to the ground. Don't try to take off running, dude.
I'm not gonna run on
You just tried to.
Stop. All right, let me up, man.
No.
I'm done. All right, whatever. Let me up, bro.
Slow down.
Bro, turn your sirens on. Oh, he's there.
I'm fine, bro.
There's a gun in the back. You try to run it.
Stop.
Why'd you try to run, dude? That's just dumb. You check. There's something in the pants.
Randall,
We can send him over.
don't run.
Take my shoes off? You want to take them off?
We're okay.
So, finding the gun, or lack thereof, the case of the gun, was really no big deal, but when he ran, that was an indicator that he probably shouldn't have the gun and he's afraid of the consequences of having said gun. I would imagine he could be a felon because of his miscellaneous ass arrests. And felons cannot have guns.
I'll come talk to you in a second, okay?
Alright.
Okay, so
Felonies?
Nothing in there. This feels like it's loaded. Can you grab me another bag? Oh, boys. Oh, boys. We might have just hit the jackpot, baby. Ooh.
There's a whole lot of something back there.
why are they blurring the cocaine? Get down.
Oh, wow. That's a ton of coke.
Randy.
You guys, there's so much, you can smell the coke.
Okay, so they need to, first priority of business, they need to Mirandize him because he's in handcuffs, he's detained. If they want to question him about anything that they find going forward, they need to issue him the Miranda Rights Advisory. So hopefully they do that. Otherwise, anything he says is inadmissible in court.
It's that strong.
He's also drunk and probably high on at least weed, but I mean, dude has at least a half a pound of coke and a couple hundred rounds of ammunition, a drum. There's a Glock gun case, but no Glock.
He was messing around back there a lot. In the back of the squad?
Yeah.
Y'all put this seatbelt on me for me, huh?
Safety, Randall.
That's goofy. That's why I shouldn't even been cool with y'all ass, man.
You gonna step out for me, boss?
Look at how he moved him in front.
Why'd you move your handcuffs up front?
Why is your pants undone?
Come on, don't.
Randall, you're in handcuffs.
What you gonna do, man? What's wrong with you, man?
What's wrong with you? Being cool with you.
Nah, you ain't being cool with me.
We're having a nice conversation. Back to the pool.
You done?
No.
Shut the up. You done? Stop pushing me, man.
Get in.
Randy, just have a seat, bud.
Alright, stop pushing me, man, bro. Don't ever push me, bro.
Just have a seat, man.
What's wrong with you, man?
Just have a seat.
Can you please have a seat for us?
I will, sir.
Notice how the officer that has been good to him. Randall obviously has a problem with the officer that he was just talking to. So good on the cop whose subtitles are in blue to realize that Randy doesn't like that cop, so he kind of said, I'll take over, I'll talk to him. And now he's magically going to sit. That's what they call good cop, bad cop.
Alright.
Okay, let's go.
Don't do all that goofy ass shit. You must be a rookie, man. You're a goofy ass, man.
Put your feet in for
I
me.
ain't got no problem with it, bro.
Alright, I appreciate
You must
it.
be a rookie or something, man. Get your goofy ass out of here, man.
Alright.
It's always totally random which cops they don't like. Like, there's been times when people didn't like me and I didn't say a word. I just was standing there and they perceived me as like judgmental, or I don't know, but it's strange who they decide to like and who they decide to not like. It can be totally random at times, and at times it can be totally justified.
Right now, we're just gonna take you to the police department where you're gonna be interviewed by a detective, okay?
Will I be able to see the judge tomorrow or nah?
Yeah.
You know what time?
I don't.
When they give me a phone call.
Yeah, when we get there, you'll get some phone calls.
I appreciate it, man.
Hang on, I gotta take the seatbelt off of you.
Sorry, y'all. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Stuck?
Yeah.
All right, take a couple steps forward.
Why'd you do that? So bend
So try to.
Yeah.
Pull him. Wait. Go. Wait. No. I ain't gonna work like that.
He got himself stuck trying to slip his cuffs in the front again.
I go in there. Take this off me, man.
Bro, you're going like that now.
Alright, take this off me.
Okay, that's now work.
Randall, that's some goofy ass shit.
Take this off me, man.
We can't take it off. You
Alright,
go
well, I'm gonna be
upstairs.
sitting here. It's gonna be a fucking sitter. I don't know what the fuck it is. I'm gonna make your day a hard day like mine is. Y'all lucky y'all coming with that shit. Boy, I'll never call slippers.
Stand up. We can't get to it when you sit down like that.
He got it,
Take one of them off.
Randall, just don't fart, please.
Grab the other one, remember?
Dude, if you get stupid, man, you're gonna end up getting hurt.
Man, if I get stupid, your mama gonna get hurt. What's wrong with you, man? You lucky you caught me.
All right.
Just front cup.
Yeah, I ain't on no goof ass shit, man. Wow, shit. We don't want that up.
Upstairs. So you know this room is video and audio recording.
You slide your shoes off for now.
I ain't sliding shit off. Take my shit off. Take them off.
Alright, sit down, I'll take them off.
You're not taking shit off me, man.
Slide the shoes off. Just slide the shoes off.
Stop. Be cool. Nobody's trying to get you at you, man.
No.
What is it you...
I talk to you, big dog. Get the f out of my face.
Take the shoes off.
I'm telling you no. I talk to you, please.
What's the problem with the shoes?
Bro, get out of my face, man.
He's not in your
Have you guys
face.
checked the shoes? Okay, you gotta take the shoes
I'm
off.
gonna talk to
We
him.
have to check your shoes
I'm
before...
gonna talk to him.
Then talk to me. I'm right here.
I'm gonna catch another charge
Look
with
at
you,
me.
bro. I'm telling you, I'm gonna knock your ass straight out, bro.
Look at me.
I
I'm right
promise
here.
you I am.
I am right here.
Whatever, besides.
I have to check your shoes.
I let you take
Okay.
my shit.
All right, have a seat, bro. Okay.
I should knock your ass out.
No? No, you shouldn't have.
That's not the guy on the street you're talking. That's a totally different guy. The other guy's still out there.
Randy was arrested for possession with intent to deliver controlled substance, unlawful possession of a weapon, armed habitual criminal, and resisting arrest. He was cited for driving while his license was suspended or revoked, an uninsured vehicle, and improper lane usage. He was given no bond. Detective Lawrence interviewed Randy, and he took ownership of the cocaine, guns, and ammo. Each bag of cocaine tested positive. There was a total of 6 bags that altogether contained 361 grams of cocaine.
Damn.
There was $3,100 of cash placed into...
So, an argument could be made that because they're in separate baggies, he has intent to sell. Also, with that amount of cash, that's indicative of selling. But I don't believe that they charged him with that.
to the evidence locker, along with 241 rounds of handgun ammunition for 3 different handguns, plus
Damn.
18 rifle rounds, plus 7 Glock magazines, and a
Damn.
high-capacity drum magazine for an AR-15. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Damn, Randy.
Stop running, dude. I'm not gonna run. You?
Okay, I think the cops did a really good job. As you can see, the cops utilized the good cop, bad cop technique. I don't think they tried to, but one of them became the bad cop, and then at the end we saw Randy confuse the one newer officer that was not on scene here for the officer on scene that he didn't like, and he started calling him out. That's when the sergeant was like, "This is a totally different guy, Randy. I don't know why you're mad at him." Yeah, like I said, traffic stops after 2 a.m. can be a grab bag of goodies. Yeah, Randy had quite a bit of shit. So, wow. Interesting. But Randy lives a really fun life. He's got a nice car, going to fuck with bitches. He's really living it up. And in a way, I respect that because I'll never get to experience that type of living in my entire life. I give the cops, I give the cops an A+. They did a very good job. No one was disrespectful. No one was rude. They didn't unnecessarily slam him to the ground. They reacted when he tried to run, and they were all on the same page, it seemed. Good find in the trunk. They did very well. Very well. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I just want to tell you, I appreciate all of you being here. There's some of you that get very upset with me when I don't answer every single question that you pose for me in the comments. And I will say that when you mass post comments like that, like, just remember, I have a life outside of these videos. Like, I am not constantly in YouTube mode, so I'm not always going to be able to get to your questions. And when you rapid fire these questions in long blocks of paragraphs, it gets kind of overwhelming, especially when it jumps around all over the place. My point is, I'm doing my best here. I really am. It's also important to note that I don't know what the videos are walking into them. So when you ask me why I'm only watching positive police interactions, that's why I would love if more people sent me videos to watch. Because again, I don't even read the description before. I walk in completely blind because, again, that's the best way I believe you can see how the cop brain is working. Having been in law enforcement, you're getting a glimpse of how it works in real time with genuine reactions from me. That's the entire goal. So if you want me to watch like interactions where the police aren't very nice or aren't operating well and doing shitty things, send me those videos. I'll watch them. But I only get sent a few videos by a few different people. So yeah, I'm doing my best here. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.